Hey, what are you doing?
Hey, what are you doing here?
We have a math exam tomorrow.
Oh, the math test.
The topics that we need to study are special products and radicals.
That's hard.
Oh, I have an idea. I can make a problem of special products and explain you, and you can make a radicals problem and explain me.
Yeah, that's great. Let's do that.
Let's go. Follow me.
Okay, let's start with the special products problem. So in here we have x plus 4y minus z plus 3 all to the square. Since this is a binomial to the square, we need to identify a and b. So a will be x plus 4y and b will be negative c plus 3. Now that we have identified a and b, we will use the formula of a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. After we substituted a and b in the formula, we found out that there is another binomial to the square in the problem. So first we need to solve that. So we will find another a and b and use it again in the formula of a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. For the 2ab, there is nothing special to do, just to multiply the 2 times the x plus 4y and then multiply it again to negative c plus 3. For the b squared, we found out that there is another binomial to the squared, so we will have as a 3 and as b negative c. So we will use the formula of a squared plus 2ab plus b squared again. So for the last step of this problem, we will unite all the products gotten from the problem. So we will have x squared plus 8xy plus 16y squared minus 2xz plus 6x minus 8yz plus 34y plus 9 minus 6c plus c squared. The most common mistakes that students make on this type of problems is not being aware that there is another binomial to the squared. For example, in here we had 2 binomial to the squared, so not being aware of that can make the problem wrong.
Let's start with a hard problem. Square root of or x to the third y times cube root of 125x to the fourth times fourth root of 81x5 y seventh. The first step to solve this problem is to change all the exponents to fractions. So, for example, we take x to the third divided by 2 because it's a square root. And we follow that order for all of the problems. Next, we add all the exponents for x, that is 3 halves plus 2 thirds plus 5 fourths, and that is equal to 41 twelfths. And we do the same for y. 1 half plus 4 thirds plus 7 fourths is equal to 43 twelfths. Next, we multiply the coefficients and turn the exponents back inside to the radicals. So we'll get 30 root of 12 x 41 y 43. The next step is to take as much as we can outside of the radical. So we can get 3 x's out of the radical and 3 y's out of the radical, leaving us with the answer 30 x to the third y to the third root of 12 x to the fifth y to the seventh. The most common mistakes in this type of problems are not considering the index of the radical, or adding incorrectly fractions, or when you change from radical to fraction, doing that incorrectly, and that makes you get the problem mistaken.
Now that we have finished studying, let's watch some soccer.
Okay?
Let's go.